My name's Tanya, and I am a custom order supervisor at JDS Industries. I help JDS customers by managing their custom order needs, whether it be fabricated products from JDS or anything that they need a source for, anything from leatherette products to, custom wood products, plastics, things like that. Best part of my job is getting the customer finished product, making sure they're getting something that they're proud to give out themselves. The best thing a customer has ever said to me is that they're really excited about our product knowledge and the speediness that we turn over our orders. They're always really thrilled that they can get something in the door to their customer really fast. It always makes me feel good. I always appreciate when customers, notice those things from us. We strive to do our best to get their products fast from us.